Hello, everybody. As you all know, we all are human beings, and we will get something more familiar. We will get it more correctly if we look it in a diagrammatic way. Instead of reading something, if we look into something like a diagrammatic way, you will get it more faster. That is what we represent at this picture. Hello, everybody. I am Rishikesh. Today I am here to explain this small picture which is containing a lot and a lot of information for us. Where is actual learning happening? We have four options. We are doing something to acquire actual learns, or we will be reading or watching or listening. First of all, let's take the case of a listener. Okay, when you listen, you will be only having input into your mind through the through our uh, ears. In the case of watching, it is not like that. When we watch, we will be the thing will be implemented to us through eyes and ears. How the video will be having sound, or the image will be having getting an input through our eyes and our ears. So it is more better. That next is reading. Reading will help us in a lot of way. It will help. It is getting a input to our eyes, input by us to our nose, and a output by our mouth. Three things are happening while we read. Doing is not like that. Doing contains lot of things. When we do, our whole body is involved there. We will be thinking. When we do something, we will think a lot. We will think to get the answers of what we were thinking, and then we will look to that for our eyes. And when we say the answers, it will be a ear exercise. We will hear that, and then when we say, it is for our mouth. So that's where the doing is the real place where actual learning happens. That's why if we learn something by doing something, or if we learn something by teaching someone, then it will get you more easily and it will become more clear for you. This is what the reason. Thank you.
Good morning. Today I am going to tell about this diagram. Doing means that I will tell it with an example. And see, there is a teacher come to our class and tell you have to do the exercise all the day. We have to do this exercise in this time, and the teacher do it, and students also doing that. We have to that all our mind is a thing that, oh, I want to do that, I want to do that. That will make our doers in readings. That when we read a storybook or a novel, it that storybook is with the part in that part of storybook we read and finish it, and after that we think, oh, what is the end of that story? What is it? We don't know that, and we get an excitement to see the next part. And the reading skill, in the reading I tell that we have an excitement of that, we get an excitement in watching also. Like we get so many uh, excitement in our mind and brain. In reading, once more thing that in reading, when we hear one teacher teaches a portion of the book, and the science book, and that time we hear that we think that, oh, this is so easy, and we hear that, and we move to learn it. We have to learn it easy by reading and listening and watching. Listening, reading, we have to read it, and reading make our language and a skill, communicative skill. We have to make more things.
It's a common thing to do by teachers when we are in class and they're giving a lecture. Teachers are giving a lecture. They tell you to listen and not to hear. So listening actually does have a part in learning. If you listen quite well, you are able to grasp things much better. And next is watching. So, let me tell you something from my own experience. We had physics last year, and we were studying displacement of a liquid, a method to find the density of an irregular solid. So, if she would have showed us it in the textbook, the experiment in the textbook, we would remember it. But when she showed it to us, the method she showed it to us using a measuring cylinder and an eraser, we remembered it without a lapse for the whole year. So watching and that's also part of watching and doing. So doing is also the same thing. Like it really plays a very big part in learning. Um, you won't learn maths if you just read and go. You have to do the calculations again and again and again to just grasp it, or avoid spelling mistakes. And reading, well, you have to when you read some things, some of the keywords just catch in your mind, and they stick to your mind. They won't let go.